Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can enable and set up the mobile hotspot on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. So the first thing that we need to do is go to the settings. In the settings we want to go to network and internet, and then over here we have hotspot and tethering. So let's go over here. In order to activate the hotspot we need to tap on this Wi-Fi hotspot slider, and then we have our hotspot activated. Now we can also do some configuration to our hotspot. We need to simply tap on the option, and now over here we can change the name. So if we tap on the hotspot name, then we can set up a new name. We can also change the password. So over here we have hotspot password. If we tap on it, then over here we'll see our password, and then we can also set up a new one. You can also hide your device by ticking this box and then confirm that you want to hide. And we can also manage devices that are connected to our hotspot over here. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!